Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I have for you Madam Glam's Gel Paints Kit. This was released in June, and of course, I am late at getting it out. Madam Glam is vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula, and HEMA-free. This kit has 12 colors in it. It has all the primary colors, a black, a white, and a silver and a gold. These are highly pigmented, no wipe gel paints, perfect for all kinds of designs and techniques. The product must be cured with LED lights 1 minute and or UV lights for 2 minutes. My opinion on cure times is that it would vary according to the lamp you are using and the wattage of the lamp. The paints may cure faster in your lamp. It just depends. I'm inserting a photo of the paints with some information on it, and you can stop the video and read about these paints on your own if you choose to. This paint set is a high quality paint set. You will be impressed with it if you purchase it. I'm not gonna discuss prices on the set here. I do have the link to Madam Glam in the description box below, so you can go there and check the price out for yourself. Also, I am providing you a 30% off coupon code on the screen. You can use that for your order when you go to Madam Glam and make a purchase. Also, you're going to find out that when you get to Madam Glam, you may have an even better deal there. You may get up to 60% off with them, or if you choose, you can join their VIP program and get even more additional savings. So what I'm trying to tell you is that if you have to pay full price for Madam Glam's products, you're doing something wrong. I kind of take pride in myself by giving you honest reviews and introductions on products. I'm never going to lie to you. And when it comes to Madam Glam, I really do like their gel polishes, gel paints. I like their polygels. If I don't like something, I will tell you. In June, Madam Glam also introduced some new brushes. This is a set of 5 brushes, and you can also purchase these individually. Again, I'm not going to mention prices. You can go to the site and look it up yourself. I did want to mention one thing, that when I was putting the caps back on the brushes, I noticed that the caps did not want to stay on the brush. They just didn't seem like they fit the brush very well. And I did read some other reviews and watch some other reviews, and there was a lot of other people that thought the same thing. Here is some more information about the brushes if you care to stop the video and read about it. I did notice where it said that the handles are wooden, so that gave me a little bit of concern there. They did feel like they had a plastic coating over top of them, but just to be on the safe side, I wanted to test it, because if you've ever had a brush that was wooden and when you get acetone on it, because it's just wood that's been painted, all the paint comes off and it gets sticky and in your hand and everything. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm taking some acetone and just rubbing the brush handle to see if anything comes off, and nothing comes off. So it is definitely a plastic coating. Even the lettering stays on and doesn't come off, so that's good. I thought I would just demo 2 colors, and I chose the pink and the black. I just wanted to see how it went on the swatch stick, because I heard so much about it, and they do go on very nicely. Very nice and smooth. They're not thick, and I just float the gel on, and it looks great. I thought I'd test one of the liners with the black paint and see how it did. Now I want to see how the black covers. And of course I've got some fuzz in there in this brush, or picked it up somewhere. But anyways, I wasn't sure whether I wanted to do 2 thin coats or just, you know, float on a nice layer. So I decided to float it on because it seemed like it was better that way. You can see that right here. And with one layer, this black seemed to be pretty good, you know? And I always worry about black being so opaque that it just doesn't want to cure, but it cured, no problem. That's the end of the video, and I do want to point out that I do like the gel paint set. I do think it's a pretty good quality, and I think the price that they're asking for the gel paints really reflects that quality. As for the brushes, for the price Madam Glam is asking, I believe the quality of the brushes needs to be better. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!